Alright everybody, welcome back to Moccasin Driver. Today we're gonna drive a 2024 BMW XM, one of my favorite SUVs. Can't believe I'm getting to drive this right now. Big shout out to BMW at Zeigler in Kalamazoo, Michigan. So this, of course, is the flagship model SUV of BMW, the XM. So under the hood here, we have a 4.4 liter V8, and this is a plug-in hybrid. It's an electronically assisted motor. Gives it about a total of 644 horsepower, 590 foot-pound-feet of torque. It's got a 25.7 kilowatt battery. Gives you about 29-30 miles of range on electric alone. This is a really special vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood for us, so we can check out this baby. Look at that. Look how clean that looks. It's beautiful. So in the sun, this paint is really special. Gives it kind of a gold sheen in the metallic flake there. Hopefully you can see that on camera. So on the front, I believe we have 22s here. So these are 275, 40, 22 rims, wheels. And on the back we got 315 35s. Nice and wide. Let's go ahead and pump the trunk so we can see what it looks like in here. It's got plenty of space. It's got your nice XM bag here. Carry all your stuff in it. Very fancy. Let's go ahead and check out the back seat. So you can see the ceiling in this vehicle. It's pretty special. It's got some shapes with some ambient lighting in here. Hopefully that picks up on the camera. But yeah, these seats are super comfortable. Got all your controls back here that you need for the passengers. It's got a Bowers and Wilkins sound system. Another feature that's really nice, the seats kind of concave around, so you have a little bit of a loungy feel. You just lean back, enjoy yourself. Very nice. Let's go ahead and start it up. Very cool. All right. Go ahead and put it in drive. So I could just feel it just now. It squeezed my sides in on the seat. It's pretty nice. It's holding me in really tight. So we're going to go ahead and take it for a little spin. Turning the AC on a little bit here. It's pretty warm outside. Beautiful day though, can't complain. So the motor just kicked on. It wasn't electric at that low speed. So we're in the regular mode right now. Feels really planted around these corners, as it should. Beautiful day for a drive. I just put it in M1 mode. Looks like it changes some of the setup here. Definitely has some get up and go. Taking it easy down here. This is a neighborhood. Give it a little gas real quick. Nice and quiet, smooth ride. Hang out, relax in your BMW XM. Or we're going to go ahead and put it in M1 mode. Oh yeah, I can hear the difference. Looks like it changed some of the settings. So now we're in full manual. So let's go ahead and give it a little bit of gas. Pretty cool. You can hear the crackles and pops in the exhaust. Let's check out M2, see what that does. Now it's in full sport mode. It's pretty neat. Let's go ahead and take some of these corners. We'll take it easy. Take it off the M2, just let it do its thing. This thing is a beast, no doubt about it. Go ahead and do 0 to 60. Normal mode. Zero to 60 in no time. Somewhat of a bumpy back road here. Takes it no problem. Let us know in the comments what you think about this SUV. This is the flagship model. I've never driven a Lamborghini Urus or anything that even comes close to this. I've driven the XM M60i. That's a beautiful SUV. But this is the flagship for BMW. It's quite wonderful. I've been hoping to drive one of these for quite a while now. Finally get my hands dirty in it. Hopefully another chance will come to where I can have a little more seat time in one. So now we're just going to head back to the dealership. I'm going to play a song so we can test out the sound system.
This is do or die, I'll kill for it. Go ill for it, take a pill for it, If I ain't putting all my overtime in it, then someone else will. Why you think I don't sleep and I don't eat? I just do this till I'm too means deep. In my bag, what it means, dog, I'm back. Run it back on the track, dog, like track dogs. I snap, dog, like Thanos. I got a handle. I stun the banjo, wearing socks on the sandals. I'm a handful, and I'm so ballsy, got my pants full, the pants full. I emptied on the page and got a track full. If this is do or die, I'll kill for it, go ill for it, take a pill for it, dog. If I ain't putting all my overtime in it, then someone else will. I take a knife to it, slice through it, chomp down, take a bite through it, right through it. The flow's mean, but I'm nice to it. Wrist broken, how I'm always putting this ice to it. The verse hot, I spice to it. Read the eyes, roll the dice through it. Oz ain't been with me till my winning spree. My competition, like my sins, they below me. So with these rappers, I got no beef. Album only getting no sleep. What that mean? If this is do or die, I'll kill for it, go ill for it, take a pill for it, dog. If I ain't putting all my overtime in it, then someone else will.
So that is the Bowers & Wilkins sound system. Sounds pretty beautiful to me. Alright, well thanks for watching everyone. It means a lot. This was a thrilling experience for me. Glad I finally got to drive the XM. This thing truly is special. So much power. Truly unique. Looks insane. I love it. Alright. Have a good one. See you guys next time.